Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Irfan, NIM 2102580 from the Geography Education Study Program, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Here I will give a little explanation about the diversity of Indonesian culture. A culture meaning. The word culture comes from Sanskrit, namely budaya. The word budaya is the plural form of buddhi, which means mind or reason. With this, culture can be understood as things related to mind and reason, such as talk, creed, taste, and will karsa. According to Koncernaingra, culture is a whole system of ideas, action, and the result of human work in the text or in the context of community life which are made into human beings by learning. Next, B. Culture elements. The universal elements of culture are cultural elements that can be found in all the cultures of the nation of the world. In the book Universal Categories of Culture, C. Kulhon argues that there are 7 elements of culture that are universal, namely A. Language, B. Phonologic system, C. Social organization system, D. Life equipment system and technology, E. Living livelihood system and economic system, F. Religious system, and G. Art. C. The influence of geographical factors on cultural diversity in Indonesia. Geographical location plays a role in Indonesian cultural diversity. Factors that play a role with geographical boundaries include the following. A. Geographical location. Differences in conditions in an area where an area or position is limited by mountains, land, lowlands, seas, or straits will have an impact on the isolation of people in the region. B. Strategic position. The location of Indonesia lies between the Asian continent and the Australian continent, as well as between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, causes Indonesia to be on the world trade transportation routes. C. Ecological condition. The ecological environment is formed from soil structures, climate, topography. This contributes to the condition of the population from an economic, social, and cultural perspective. Distribution of cultural diversity in Indonesia. The Indonesian nation is a pluralistic nation. This plurality is one of the wealth of the Indonesian nation. The Indonesian nation consists of various ethnic groups, various local cultures spread throughout Indonesia. The pattern of type of cultural change, namely the process of spreading cultural diversity in Indonesia, is divided into 3. Namely, A. Expansion, diffusion. It is a process in which elements of culture spread from a society in an area to other areas in the vicinity. B. Shelter distribution is the same process as spatial distribution in which the diffused cultural elements leave the area where the cultural elements originate, then move or area accommodated in new area. C. Diffusion of contagion is a process in which an innovation experiences competition through a group of people or communities. This case saw a weather flow model that has stepped on the rock surface, hard, compact. This kind of diffusion is also known as cascade diffusion. The introduction of culture diversity in Indonesia, one of which is Aceh is a trade route so enter Middle Eastern culture. Some of the culture that exist today are the result of collaboration between Malay, Middle Eastern, and Asian cultures. B. According to the scarcest Torres Tarombo of the Batak people, especially from the Batak Toba, all the sub-tribes of the Batak people have a common ancestor, namely is Raja Batak. C. These are is subdivided into special institutions that express the conflict between land outcoast or seashore. There is an assumption that people who live on the coast, the edge of the Indonesian Ocean, come from land. The differences in the influence of Javanese Hindu culture in various areas in Bali during the Majapahit era led to the existence of two forms of society in Bali, namely the Bali Aga and Bali Majapahit, Wong Majapahit people. Forms of nation culture. 1. Regional culture, which is a national culture, must give identity to citizens who support the culture. That is, elements of regional cultures that have an private identity and characteristics that can be appointed as elements of national culture. 2. Regional culture, which is a national culture, must cause a feeling of pride to its supporters, both the ethnic group from which the culture organization and the people of Indonesia. 3. Regional culture, which is a national culture, must be of high quality in order to enrich the treasures, degrees, and human flaws of the Indonesian nation. Preservation and utilization of Indonesian cultural product in the creative economy and tourism. Culture can be seen as a number of experiences and conflicts that produce various kinds of cultural products. One traditional culture is hair, traditional art, traditional dance, traditional musical instruments, traditional clothing, etc. And traditional culture as potential for a creative economy. The region in Indonesia that have a decent crop of creative economy tourism are one of them. Indonesian culture as part of global culture. Globalization is a process of interaction and integration between people, companies, and government of various countries, which is driven by international trade and investment and assets by information technology. With globalization, certain cultural values are spread throughout the world. As world culture, Indonesia is part of the world. Of course, Indonesia cannot be separated from the influence of globalization. Indonesia culture is part of global culture. Nevertheless, the Indonesian nation must continue to show national culture as a national identity. Article 3T2, paragraph 1 of the 1945 Constitution states that the state shall promote Indonesian national culture in the midst of world civilization by guaranteeing the freedom of the people to maintain and verify their cultural values. Maybe this is all I can say. Thank you for the time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.